In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add table in Elementor, beginner guide. By the end, you'll have a clean, customizable pricing table built directly inside Elementor, ready to publish on your WordPress site. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard and opening the Pages area. Choose the page where you want your table to appear. Then click Edit with Elementor to launch the visual builder. On the canvas, click the plus icon to add a new section. Elementor will show a grid of structures. Pick the column layout that matches how many plans or columns you want to showcase. 2 or 3 columns are common, but choose what fits your content. Next, open the Elements panel and use the search bar to look for Price Table. Drag the Price Table widget into the first column. This gives you a complete pre-designed table with a header, price, features, and a footer button all ready to customize. To keep your layout consistent, duplicate that first price table for the remaining columns. Right-click to duplicate, then drag the copies into the other columns. This ensures all tables share the same base design and spacing. Now, customize the content. In the header section, change the title and subtitle to reflect your plan's name and a brief value statement. You can also set a distinct header background so each plan is easy to scan at a glance. Move to pricing. Enter your price, choose the correct currency symbol, and set the billing period, such as monthly or yearly. If you're running a promotion, add a sale price and consider enabling a ribbon to highlight a recommended or best value plan. Under Features, add, duplicate, or delete items to match what each plan includes. Update the text so it's concise and benefit focused, and adjust icons and colors to align with your brand while keeping things readable. In the footer area, customize the button text to make your call to action clear, and add any short supporting note that helps set expectations. Switch to the Style tab to polish the design. In box style, set the overall background color, border, and border radius to create a card look that feels cohesive with your site. Then style each part, header, price box, feature list, and button, individually so you can fine-tune typography, colors, and spacing for clarity and hierarchy. If you want even more design flexibility, consider using an advanced price table widget from an Elementor add-on. These often let you highlight specific plans, add badges, use custom icons, and apply advanced hover effects. When everything looks right, click Publish. Your pricing table is now live, consistent, and easy for visitors to understand.